Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1973 Cadillac Dorado. This comes from Tony in Cleveland, Ohio. Tony has requested the modern internal conversion to increase the output power and also the Bluetooth feature. And let me just make sure that he didn't order the box that I didn't install, and he did not, so that's good. Alrighty, so good deal. So we're here to test her out before we send her back. One thing I need to make note of here is this switch is not operational. It came in with this switch missing and broken. This is actually an integral part of the faceplate, so it really can't be replaced individually. And even if it could, I didn't have one anyway, and the customer didn't have one to send. So basically, he's going to have to switch between AM and FM the old-fashioned way by turning the unit off and then right back on within half a second. And then other than that, everything else is just fine on the radio. So I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area at the moment. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Fire department engines and
there's our
ambulances.
AM radio, and we're going to demonstrate the balance and fader controls. We're going to need our output level meters for this.
Rode with the Lifeline crew to assist with patient care while working with Drake's
front rear fader.
Hazmat crews.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Testing.
So now all the way front,
personnel were reported.
all the way rear, front.
New sponsor this out by A&E
Rear.
Reprographic.
Okay,
Check
I'm
your
gonna
case
center them
weather is
again.
up next, brought to you by High Cut.
Fader.
Fader is set.
Load up
Okay.
the RV
Left, right,
and
balance.
hit the road. To the right.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Way.
All the way left.
Works with
All the way right.
on hail, wind, and rain.
Left.
They specialize
Right.
in RV appliances and RV
Alrighty.
generator repair work and troubleshoot issues.
Balance set.
Balance is set.
Phone by
And now
email
we
or
can
in
return our
person
tone
to
control
help
to
keep repair
how we
costs
like it to sound.
down.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
1992. Give them a
Bluetooth ready to
Okay, and you
pair.
can hear that it does. So let's go ahead and switch over to FM. Of course, we have to do the power cycling method on this radio. So off, on. Now we're on FM, and I have all 5 buttons set to stations in my area, so we can get through this really quickly.
Ice close to 73. In the man out to the car. And soon is your country.
Okay, so there's our FM. Time to try the 8-track.
KVRD 105.
If the chick's flowing and that girl, she's the one you buy. Now this smiling good guy.
Have fun. Put the blues on the ride.
Found a boy, but you want the head lucky by the hand.
You're a king, bounce the
Alrighty.
world on its string.
Pull the tape out,
Hangs on.
and the radio comes right back. And we know the dial-light works because on this radio you can't see the tuning pointer without the dial-light. So we turn it off, and we'll see that dial-light goes off, and everything is groovy. And she's ready to go back, and I'm going to be packing this in the next few minutes and going to the post office today because this guy's been waiting for his unit for a little while here. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with questions, because that's what the work order is for. With the kind of workload that I typically have, I just don't have 15 minutes to spend with each new customer with a phone answering the same questions over and over. So please have a work order in your hand before calling me with questions, because you won't really need to call me after that, except if you just want to chat with me for a couple minutes to have a pleasant conversation, make sure you can trust me and all that stuff. And incidentally, my business is BBB accredited with an A+ rating for more than a decade, so there shouldn't be any trust issues either. Not to mention that this will be the 923rd video that I'll be posting on YouTube of a completed repair job. So I got all kinds of stuff to prove that I'm reputable out there. But you are welcome to call me for a quick chat just to make sure that you can trust me, stuff like that. But as far as hitting me with a 15-minute series of questions, please don't do that. Use the work order to answer your questions. Then call me if you need to. So thanks so much for watching and listening, everybody. Thank you, Tony, from your business all the way from Cleveland, Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.